It is time. Hi, everybody, and thanks for attending this GitLab sponsored talk, GitLab, the Open DevOps Platform. For those of you who don't already know me, my name is Nuritzi Sanchez, and I am the Senior Open Source Program Manager at GitLab. I run the GitLab for Open Source program, and I'm also the former president and chairperson of the board at the GNOME Foundation. My background is in product, program, and project management, as well as business operations. And from that, I just wanted to share that I'm not an engineer. And so my experience using DevOps platforms has been from a really like cross-functional team collaboration vantage point. So for those of you not already familiar with GitLab, I thought I'd give you a little bit of a background about what it is, and especially from my perspective of not being an engineer and of really working cross-collaboratively. First of all, GitLab is a platform for the whole team. And we've identified several stages that are necessary for deploying software. Those include things like manage, plan, create, verify, package, secure, release, configure, and defend stages. It's a big process to get great software out there. And for each of those stages, we have multiple tools that we could use. But what that means is that it can create silos, or you're often managing many different tools in order to get things done. So GitLab is a one platform tool with a mission to make all creative work, to change it from read only to read write so that everybody can contribute. We think that when everyone can contribute, consumers can become contributors, and we greatly increase the rate of human progress. And the reason why I wanted to share this is that this guiding philosophy of everyone being able to contribute is something that permeates our organization and just really guides us. And this is really important because, especially today during the pandemic, the winners in the digital economy are the ones that are transforming how they're doing things, how they are bringing ideas to market, how they are serving their customers, how they are engaging with employees, how they generate value again and again, and more than ever, how they create and deliver their software. Because GitLab is an all-in-one DevOps platform, it enables visibility so that everyone can see the work, collaboration, everyone can contribute, and velocity, because everyone can deliver more predictable results faster. And we think this leads to faster iteration and being able to innovate together. And at GitLab, we use GitLab ourselves to deliver. The visibility, we have an open roadmap, an open company vision. We're deeply transparent so that everybody can see what we're up to. And we actually have a public handbook where you can see my current OKRs and everything else that the company is working on. We deliver collaboration because from the code to the culture, we are open source to the core. We're an open core company, and everything that guides us is within that open source philosophy. And then we deliver on velocity. We have a release every 22nd of the month, and to date, we've shipped releases for over 72 months straight. So we're fast. And we also bring this, we're changing how software is delivered within the wider ecosystem so that others can also improve their visibility. They can make work visible for everyone, everywhere, and have a single source of truth. They can have added collaboration where there's a place for everyone, for everybody to contribute, from devs to operations, to other people in the company and the community. And then velocity. We're accelerating organizations' iteration, their innovation, and we're helping them speed up and scale up securely. So in our remaining minutes, just a few, I wanted to share a couple of the GitLab community programs that I'm involved with, since I'm part of the community relations team. The first is, it's actually 3 different programs that we run, where we give our top tier, the ultimate tier, away for free in self-managed or SaaS versions, along with 50,000 CI minutes per month for qualifying educational institutions, open source projects and organizations, and Y Combinator-backed startups. But we're looking into expanding the startups one. If you're interested, feel free to check out this link, about.gitlab.com/community. We also invite you to join us. You can contribute in a variety of ways, whether you're a developer, somebody who likes to blog or post on social media, or help think through community issues. You can help advise us on how to build a better, more inclusive product. We have something called the GitLab First Look program that is basically user research, where we ask people for their input into how to make a better GitLab product. And lastly, we encourage you to engage with us on Twitter and on other social media platforms. And I encourage you to take a screenshot of this so that you can check out the links later. I'd also like to invite you to join us for our upcoming Beyond Code event series, where we'll be focusing on how people use GitLab beyond code. We're doing this in association with the GitLab Women TMRG, which stands for Team Member Resource Group, where various women at GitLab will be showing how they use GitLab in their day-to-day jobs for things like accounting and marketing and legal and community program management. So if you have people in your organization who are interested in using GitLab beyond code, please feel free to invite them to join us for these events. And we'll be posting it on about.gitlab.com/events. It's not up there yet, but I think our first event will be in May. And last but not least, we have our user conference coming up in August 3rd and 4th. The theme is Innovate Together, and our CFP is currently open until April 30th. So if you're already a GitLab user, if you have, we would just love to hear how you're using it at your company or organization. And that's it. It's just a short little presentation. So thank you very much for joining us and joining me. And please check out our website, about.gitlab.com. And again, follow us on social media. I'll be around on the Drupal Slack channel, so feel free to message me at Nuritsi. All right, thank you so much, and see you soon. Oh, and I see a question from Brian about a nonprofit program. We will be launching a nonprofit program in the future. Right now, we don't have one, but we do have an issue collecting use cases. So I'll try to find that in the 1 remaining minute that I have and post it here. Or if not, Brian, feel free to message me later and I'll point that out your way. All right. Thank you very much. Bye, everybody.